We've got a nice flyweight fight coming up here between Brett Katona and Jesse Butler. And Brett Katona surprisingly lost to Garrett Armfield, but he defeated Cody Gibson and was better than Carlos Ferrer and Timur Valiev at the UFC season. He was also better than Faker Gamzat Magomedov. He's a good fighter, really, really good fighter, and the guy is very, very underrated. But Jesse Butler, 12-5-0, 5'10", 73 inches of reach. Good fighter, but he's cutting so many pounds, which affects his cardio significantly. He was better than Ray Trujillo, Luis Luna, but lost to Jim Miller. He left hook and uppercut. I'm telling you, his weight cuts are pretty much critical, and that is pretty much affecting his performance. I believe welterweight might have been a better choice for him. He is very, very big for a lightweight, and I have a feeling Brett Katona going to win, but I'm going to risk here, saying the fight will not go the distance. Side call Brett Katona.